time on Storytime Dolly, we did a candy taste test.
Now what are we gonna do?
We're gonna do a gum challenge.
What does that mean?
We're going to see how many pieces of gum I can chew.
Okay, this is your first time on camera. You look awesome, by the way.
Thank you.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. Chew! That's uno. One.
If you don't know Spanish.
That's two.
Dos.
And she's bilingual, ladies and gentlemen. That is three. What's three in Spanish?
Left.
That is four. That is five. And you gotta keep chewing it for like 10 seconds when you stop for it to count. Was that six? Seven. What's seven in Spanish? Eight. Nine. 10. Oh my goodness, 10? 11. Which is 11. And 7 is 7. Boom! There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. You look like a snake trying to eat a mouse. Okay, I'm sorry. Boom. And she did it. High five. Boom. That's my girl. Alright, signing off. Say bye. Say bye in Spanish.